Hi, I'm Erin from Bitrix24 Gold Partners Interface. In today's quick win video, I'm going to show you the new feature, the Bitrix24 Start Page, the Vibe. This is the first page users will see when they log into Bitrix24, where they can gather useful information and you can set up quick access to various tools. You can install and edit the templates to create your vibe. So if we just go over to the demonstration site, so here you can see the start page is on the home screen. If I just go over to the settings up here and go to the start page, the vibe, I'll just show you how you would install it for the first time. So first of all, you would install a template. So you click select template and choose a solution from the Bitrix24 market. So you choose which one you want and you select create page. All of the templates do vary in design, but they all include the same blocks. Select go to start page. So here is our template, and now I'm going to show you how you can customize the default widgets. So if you go back to the vibe and you select edit. From here, you can customize the default widgets. So there are a few different options when you hover over one of the widgets. You can select the design button, which will edit the background, the color, and more. You can edit through the edit button, which will change the title and description. You've also got the arrows, which can move the widget up and down. And you've got an actions button here where you can cut, copy, hide the widget, and also a delete. So if I just go into the edit, just to show you, you can edit the name, for example, interface, you can edit the text, and as you can see, it will update. If I go into the design, you can change the image, you can change the color, like so. Now I'll show you how you can add a widget. So if you just select the add widget button, and you can select a new widget from any of the different tabs here, which all hold different widgets. So once you've finished editing, you need to select publish, and this will publish it to your start page when all the widgets are set up so that your employees can see it when they enter Bitrix. You can also see you've got the unpublished feature, which essentially will hide the published page from all of your employees, but you can still access the start page to edit it and publish it again. Thank you for watching. Please get in touch for a full demonstration, or to find out more about this and other solutions, go to interface.com/solutions.